How to get rid of stickers in the yard. Yard stickers are really burrs that come from sandburs. Sandburs are weeds that thrive in dry weather. The stickers have many pointy ends that are sharp to the touch. They hurt when they get on your clothes. Unfortunately, they can also attach themselves to your pet's fur. That can be painful for your pet. If your yard is full of stickers, you will want to take action to remove them so that you can once again enjoy your yard. Things you will need: garden hose, water, gardening gloves, shovel, trash bag, lawnmower, remnant, pre-emergent herbicide. Turn on your garden hose and water your lawn. A well-watered yard encourages grass to grow. Nice, thick grass can suffocate the sandburs and stop them from thriving in your yard. Put on a pair of garden gloves and start shoveling the sandburs out. You want to get the roots so that the weed does not grow back the following year. Place the sandburs in a garbage bag and throw them out. Mow the lawn. This will cut down the sandbur and reduce the number of stickers you have to deal with. It will also make it easier to remove the remaining stickers. Make sure that you have a bag attached to your lawnmower that you can empty in a trash can. Take a remnant piece of carpeting and run it back and forth over your lawn. The stickers will attach themselves to the remnant, and then you can just throw it away. Apply a pre-emergent herbicide to your yard. Utilizing this herbicide will keep any remaining seeds from germinating in the future. Since it only lasts 4 months, you will need to reapply it. Tips: warnings. Corn gluten meal can also be spread across the yard to keep the sandbur seeds from germinating. Always wear gloves when removing stickers from your clothing or your pet.